But I want to dedicate this evening, in fact last night and this evening, to this guy, Raymond Crotty. A couple of the guys over here last night have heard this, of course, but for any of you that weren't here, are you familiar with Raymond Crotty? You know who he is? Well, this is a tragedy, and it's a classic case of a guy that has been erased from recent history. And, and I hope that maybe in times to come, there's actually statues of this guy, and that his contribution to these proceedings, if you like, is recognised, because we wouldn't be here tonight if it wasn't for Raymond Crotty. Raymond Crotty was a social scientist, and he was a visionary because he saw what was occurring in Europe and was very concerned about his home country, Ireland. So he took a case to the Irish Supreme Court in the mid-1980s, and in 1987 he managed to win a Supreme Court ruling, an Irish Supreme Court ruling, which stated categorically that the Irish Constitution could not be usurped in any way, shape or form without a referendum. So there's a popular misconception that there was something written into the Irish Constitution from way back when, that a referendum would be necessary to change the Constitution. That was not the case. Or if it was the case, it wasn't ratified, if you like, in law. So Raymond Crotty absolutely managed to establish that the Irish Constitution was sacrosanct, pending a referendum. Nobody else, anywhere else in Europe, had the foresight to see that. And of course, tragically, he didn't live, to see the fruits of his efforts. So, Raymond Crotty, go take a look at this guy for yourself, because I hope that this guy, becomes a name that is known to all people throughout Ireland.